And also all the good and also all the fine. The issues are many, as we can always say. Wanna please share and tag on a company name. Now two issues I get for talk about here today. Two issues I get what they talk about here today. Yeah, I got two issues with. Okay. I got two issues the way I they talk about here today. Wanna please double tap in my TikTok. When you come, you double tap and give me your daily heart me. Don't forget that one day. Double tap and give me your daily heart me when you can on the platform. Anyway, I got two issues where I want bring to some of one of them. One that we claim for big bloggers. I see something where Nabil, the truth, as he call himself, put out there. Where they talk about admire in mama in Taiwan, admire in mama in the man them way in mama little with the picking the way in mama born. I don't think to say that one in a blogging. Oh. Honestly, that is no longer blogging. You don't go inside somebody in home, in personal business. You say that blog, you the blog. That is no longer blogging. That is cyberbullying. For let you go tell the woman how Uda in mama lido with, Uda in mama no lido with, how in mama born picking. That one is not a blog. If me not admire, I go can you go cutlery, you go prove all what you talk. All the man them when you be no say me mama lido with, I go can you go cut. Some of una can overstep una boundaries. Honestly, some people can overstep their boundaries. Admire, I don't care how bad she is. She is not a public government servant. Admire is not a public servant. Even if the public servant says, he not do anything within a public office for make you go inside in family. They go talk about in mama, Uda in mama lido with, Uda in mama no lido with. If that be me that admire a family, to God I go sue you. You go call them do that DNA for sure Uda me mama born picking the with. Some of Uda, let tell you, Kutubu one of the sister, one of the other Kutubu. Now the same thing, it do somebody, then sue him. That make you not see Kutubu again. You don't go blog, you don't go talk about person in people and family business. You don't open the money in before. You don't read this I am. That blog in our day. That blog in our day. That one is not so blogging, no. That one is not so blogging at all, Mr. Truth. If me not admire, insist on them to me mommy and the brother, I go sue you. You go prove them through DNA Uda Bonwi. Being that you know too much, you get so much confidence. For can sit down, they analyze the woman in personal life. Then you say you the blog. That is not blogging, my dear. No, so blogging. Not so blogging that one day. Let person that don't fool you say that blog you the blog. You don't go call almost man the woman don't lead on it. You been there? Were you there? Then you want compare when me they talk about mother bill where another hide. By the way, I'm a citizen of the great United States, brother. I'm not forced for go Sierra Leone. Now you go for lebele to politician. Now be truth media before you eat. But I'm a fucking citizen of the great United States. Not all like a robot your way no pull up when not sure more. Me on get me picture di. You don't go talk about Una the woman they leader with, una get personal issue. Then you say you the blog. I swear to God, if me not admire, insist on them, I go can you go court, you go prove una na over my papa. You go prove them beyond every reasonable doubt. You go do DNA, you go show me una born me. Some of una see on the social media, una don't know the effect of what you like in the talk. What does that got to do with what's in the going on life? When you describe in mama like that, then you say you the blog. If me that admire in brother and sister them, I go carry you go court. You go prove and beyond unreasonable doubt. Una the born them picking a day. You go do them. I go walk you. Now that Baba we call himself Truth Media. We go make video, they talk about admire, Una admire mama born for, Una admire mama not born for. Is that blogging again? The woman personal life. You can put on a social media. True or lie, if me not admire his sister them. If me not admire brother, to God, you go prove and beyond every reasonable doubt. I go sue you. I go sue you. You go root me. You go offend me, Papa. You go do DNA. I go nyaka you. Una just sit down on this social media no more. Just they talk like we say una no get aid. Usai mama business. Una mama leader with. You usai you been there. When mama be leader with them man, they all you go prove them. Una just sit down on this social media no more. Una no get boundaries. That's cyber bully there. So admire. If you not carry that bastard picking go court, una mama not born una good. Let that mama go prove who that give you mama belle. Let it go. Let it do DNA. Let it send una papa de for una. Yes. Then one day they show you the treat them. Let go send you papa. How he get mind? He can't see on the social media. He talk all how you mama they pass. So me mommy, he go find that ball all you papa and picking them. Not only that, he go do DNA for them. He go don't put you mama in a grave. He can't do DNA. Let prove who that born them picking the day. Now show you for treat them dog the day. When you get money, now show you for treat them. You brother, you sister, they forget go court. Let go prove who that now is papa. That's all now your blog in there. That's all now your blog in there. Exactly. You're not part of the human family. You want to talk about admire. You begin to talk about I mama born, admire that the only picking when mama born, and the other picking them, Nigeria man, this, that. Then you say you are blogging. Admire. You brother, you sister them. If una not care in the bill, Truth Media, go court, let go show that Uda born una. If una not nyaka ram, let show that Uda born una. Because that is pure nonsense. That is pure nonsense. Now, as the one get fame, now for go inside people in family. By the way, you don't know embossing pictures of a cyberbully. You better go read the AI laws there first. When you aim somebody in picture, you insult them, now cyberbully. Una can just sit on this social media, half bet dogs like una. Bakwa una could not even construct a simple one paragraph in English. One paragraph in English you could not construct, but you sit up, they disrespect the dead. They disrespect the dead. Now you not be the security to in Bomo. Now you be the secure in Bombo. Now you be the not about motherfucker. Now that truth media day. If me and my sister them, so God it go show who that now, Papa. I go make you show we who that now with Papa. Being that you that be the security that in Mama and Bombo, you go show me who that now in Papa. Una can just get on this social media because you get really opportunity, you can't disrespect people. If you don't crush on me, I forgive you one lion. It's truly overdue. No, they don't even know that one day. Say, end posting picture. Now you platform for insult. It's a crime. Una go Google them. Now AI, they tell you everything. I mean, as you they get 2-3 people that when they say, hey, you they talk good, or then they go extra. Now, so I see some aspects. The last time, they say, I give you 24 hours. You don't get paper, Usa, you day. You don't say to Usa, you day. You dey ask them when we get citizenship, say you get 24 hours. Are we okay? Are some of these people okay? As they get 2-3 follower number, they're not just celebrity. As they get 2-3 follower, they think to say they're above the law. If me not admire his sister and brother, to me, mommy, truth media, Nabi, you go show me with Papa. You go show me who that born we. You go show me how we Mama be the worker. Think that you get the mind. You cannot social media. You look at that woman when just die. You don't respect the dead. You can't address that woman nowadays. If me and my sister and brother them, so God you go show who that Papa. You go show we who that born we. Some of them they gonna teach you the example. Then you want compare when me the top of Mother Bio in killing. By the way, darling, another lick nobody else. I contributed greatly for Mother Bio for the outside the show. So when I'm ready for talk, another puts me more to the Fana market. Because when me they talk, Mother Bio the yeri when they talk. And then they talk like a you. When I speak, they hear it. And they talk to the back. But not all to go put here. But it's not that I'm stranger to them. Let you know that. And what did Mother Bio they do? When Mother Bio no mother kill people them. If I'm afraid for talk, let God kill you, Mama, you Papa, we kaka, you bastard picking. If me afraid for talk, when Mother Bio the mother people them, let God punish you. If me afraid for talk, when the Bios and the jealous, then the mother people that with drugs, let God punish you. Because you like, Mother Bio a killer. Mother Bio a murderer. By the way, ask him what happened between stressor. So, darling, when me they talk, me or much, and then put on that you, Mama. Because when you want call, you're afraid for talk. I am not afraid. And when I'm ready for talk, and they call names. Because me not a bastard picking like you, now build truth media. Because when you want to talk about anything, you're fear for talk. Why you not triple bastard picking? But meanwhile, one time you say, Mother Bio, na bastard killer. Fatima Bio, na bastard blood-sucking demon. And then a friend for talk. That one that the difference between me and you. And by the way, you don't get for respect me because not of me kaka you. You understand that me? Truth me there? You don't get for respect me, not to me kaka you. Now you mama we kaka you. Now you for respect. How you want respect when to be born you? How you want respect when to be kaka you? But if me not admire you, if me not admire your brother and sister them, tell you die, you not go do it again. You not gonna shit for telling me. You not gonna shit for telling me, darling. Darling, rest assured, say you not get kaka for telling me. Anything where they talking about so lie. Because who don't know they know Daphne. Who don't know they know this Casada say they well. And now me one fashion that's what they're gonna like you no cancel. You better go ask them and tell them about me. You better ask them and tell them about me. Because I go make take die. You go friend do that at Casada kitchen. Because if you don't know that cyber law, that cyber bully is cyber bully, so me go make innocent that cyber bully is cyber bully and my abio. What did the candy bastard picking? You know about me. Kaka, you not get for tell me, baby. Shit, you not get for tell me. Everyone will come on me mouth, na truth. For all the one that we don't know me na social media. I know they lie. Because I don't get reason for lie. You ask me why make I the sweat so. You see the weather in America. Let's just say the weather in America are for children. Fan day on AC day on and still the sweat. Fan day on AC day on and still the sweat. For tell you, say the America. This America, there few days there, I gone. But at least I'm Atlanta. Greensboro better pass Atlanta. Chai, Atlanta. Hey, and I saw the mosquito. The mosquito they went in Atlanta and they call you middle name. Yeah, they must. Now wait till they behind the back, so now wait till you see. Now what you see behind the back, now you see. You know, say always that big game. You know, say always. I don't know what happened though. Resume, okay, resume. I don't know why making me pause, but yeah, una give me una daily hurts me. Everybody. Now give me una daily at me. Everybody, you don't get money, oh, how for do. Don't sometimes you go to dry. Sometimes for the fat. Everybody give me your daily at me. But yeah, me YouTube family, una please share. And una please give me gift to me YouTube man. Please. Una share me YouTube man. And at the same time, you can give me to my YouTube. And please go and subscribe to my YouTube. Please. I don't get me YouTube from 2019. I don't get me YouTube for 2019. It's about time let's go on page. Let's go on my page there. Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Waga Felix. How are you? How are you? I'll give you a daily hat me. I'll give you a daily hat me. Alvina, thank you, darling. Tonya, thank you. Fanta, Baba, thank you. Federica, thank you. It's decent, thank you. My mentor, thank you. So again, like what they say, I mean, some people then they are not waiting. As they don't get 10 people then. You go see now they tell the mommy you like I was saying that I mean it's sexy to the mommy bobo. Now in na Nabil, na be the watch admire mama bombo. Na Nabil na be the sexy to admire mama bombo. Na Nabil na be the know una the go inside admire mama bombo. And also the una the come inside admire mama bombo. If me na admire, I will carry you go court. If me na admire him brother and sister, you go prove am una born we. If me na admire, you go do DNA, you go root me mama na grave, and you go fend the man away fuck me mama. Once you get that audacity, you can't sit down here. You dey call man from. You don't get any fucking respect for the dead. But you don't know that cyberbully you do so. You don't know if admire brother and sister, they don't care you mama in Bombogo court. Admire brother and sister, they are bastard picking. Because they for make you Nabil, you need truth media. Let you prove that on them. When you get brave man, you can't sit up. You then navigate inside the late woman. The late woman, not the woman when they are alive, oh, the one when don't die. Then you say you the belong. If me na admire his sister and his brother, so me baby you go show me papa. You go show me una born we. Una can cross the lines on Sunday. Una can go above una max on Sunday. Una can go above una lines on Sunday. If me na admire, you go show me who that born me brother and me sister. If me na admire brother and sister, then you go show me who that born that we. You go show me. You go do DNA. You go fend with papa. Nabil truth media. If me na admire, to me mommy you go show. If brother and sister them, you go fend with papa for we. Because now you not be the get man by mama in Bombo. So now you know all the madam why mama be the fuck. When you get this brave man, you can't sit down, they disrespect the dead like that. In the name of you the blog. That blog you be the blog so? Admire. If you brother and you sister them, not can Nabil, the truth go court. Let it show them who na and papa una na basta picking them. Una na basta picking them. If una not can Nabil go court, let prove una born you brother and sister. Let fend them papa for them. Una na triple basta picking. Some of them dog there, una for teach them lesson. Some of them basta picking there, una for teach them lesson. Say, you get place where you dey stop. What did my mama do you? What did he do you? No, not what below the belt, darling. Me want make admire his sister, then care and go court. Let him go fend Udana the papa. What he know so much. Let him come, he go prove him. Now so admire for do him. And this Abi Boku, let him not lucky ass. Let admire brother and sister, can go court. Let him go show them who that born them. Let him go do DNA. Let him pull out of his money. And this said Taylor, he go pull the money, he go do DNA. So today, when Motama say Mote run like mama in lempe, now for Twitter like mama in lempe back. Now waiting now. Now waiting. You admire mama get business. You admire mama get business. Or admire mama get anything for do with admire in life. Now I'm picking. Yes. But you don't go insult the baby like that. You don't go disgrace the baby like that one day. Like for saying that 2 million beat up society. But if admire his brother and sister them, not handle you professionally with the law, then say that bastard picking. If admire his brother or sister them, not make you go pay money for do DNA, for show the owner and the papa, admire owner that bastard picking for another one. Yes. If una not carry that dog day, the court like go prove una you mama be the leader with because it look like we say na build truth media. Na ina be you mama get man. Na be the open mama bombo where mama dey fuck. So in all that mama be the fuck. Darling, I do not deal with mashed potatoes. You understand, Fatmata? I do not deal with mashed potatoes. No, Usa is a baby where you don't know, Bobby. I don't think I make a 30 year, 20 something year. Usa is a baby. What you know about me? When you know you about me in social media? When me not talk about myself in social media? Then I be not tell me a book na white paper. I don't get notified. So what in that be know about me? Where you go for talk about me, darling? When you don't know about me? No, if admire fool, if admire his sister, they're stupid. If they get swear, now this mama go sit down disgrace their mama, so they're not sure unless they don't teach a lesson. Mariam, I'm doing well. If admire, but only boku talk when you get. If you not teach this mama lesson, you brother them, not make it go fend the papa and the mama for them. Admire then you not get brain. Because of not on yourself, now you sister and you brother, where he say not on you papa born. Let it go do DNA. Let it send una them born them picking the day for you, Baba. Something in there, una get for the leftist sorry. When truth media get the brave mind, can't disrespect you, die, mama. You brother and you sister them. When it claims say not on you papa born, let it do DNA. Yes, let admire no. It said that man one grade the papa born. So the brother and the sister, now therefore care and go court. Let it prove who that born them. Let him know say this social media not to alter you the talk like that. It can be used against you in the court of law. If they don't care you go court, admire and you brother and sister on a bastard picking them. Una bastard picking them for not care the truth media go court. Because the truth media time we say admire you mama be girl. Because now make it get brave man for cancer, we say you born with full juice na badin. But if truth media you cannot go court, let bring the DNA. Because it look like for say truth media and Nabil. Now I mean the sinabla you mama bombo in no box. So you know all the man that want me to go and cancer you mama. So if you can't truth media go court, let go do DNA, let prove who that born you brother and sister them. Because truth media look low boku pass you. Truth media look low, but your family pass you. It know about you die, mama, pass you. It know all of that be the leader with you, mama. So truth media for can prove it on the wall with DNA proof. Let it show who that them you mama born for. So today, una never use the hard rope. You mama don't get nothing for do it. Where till you the gone? When somebody die, you talking nonsense. But you know they go inside your mind personal life. Then you say you are blogging. When you don't get proof? Ah, Dubaya. Una not sabi how for handle people them. By the guys, now cyber bully you brother there so. Now cyber bully you brother there so. Until he prove the DNA for sure who that you mama born with, you don't forever left farm. Till you pull that DNA where you say that different man the baby born with, they not for left you. Yes, they not for left you. Some of you can to do. Some of you half baked una to do. Because people that page. Now you think to say you don't reach for go inside somebody home, inside somebody family. They tell and warn them. When they not go tell you, mama, you go prove and have every reasonable doubt. All the one them, when you say that them, the mommy born for, you go do DNA. You go fend the mommy body and you do DNA and you prove out to picking them. Uda them born them. Big that you know. Now you not be the ADC to the mommy bombo. As you get 50, 30 followers, una don't think those are not there above. Total disrespect. Total disrespect to the dead. Like I hear the mommy, like I be the ADC to the mommy waist. But if your brother admire you, brother, you sister them, not Ken Nabil of Truth Media, gonna court, let go prove who that born them. They would get swear. Yes. Oh God. This one I don't know. Yeah, okay. Honestly. As they did on this social media no more, they don't get a 20, 30 follower. They feel to say they don't arrive. Oh, Papa God, no. Me supercharge 9 number. Wait, oh my God. Shit. Yeah. Anyway, now go off Facebook because I don't get be charged on Facebook. So I did on my YouTube and TikTok. Please, I go off Facebook because we charged on. Sorry, I got only 5 minutes and my supercharger don't book. So if you want to join me, you can please join me. Now TikTok. Okay. Yeah. Like what they say. If me na be admire, if me na be a brother and sister, Truth Media, and for you go court, so you go show we udana with mama, and udana with papa. That one the first I go let you go show we udana me brother and mama and udana and papa. I go walk you out, me brother. Until you die, you don't go do it again. Then they wonder them dogs that when they fly around you, I go take care of them. Because by the time when you when you don't pay for 2 DNA, by the time when you don't go exhume me, mama, for go do in DNA, by the time when you defend me, papa, till you die, you don't kind of social media again. And can't talk with you, no know. I can't talk with you, no know. All because you want crowds. All because the truth be that you not nobody that the social media, sweetie. Nobody not hear you. Nobody not hear you. Now when we talk like the country they check, when we talk the country they shake. When we talk, the country they listen. Now we the country sabi. Now we want voice that they make impacts. Not to check like a you. When you the fear for talk, because if you talk, you know what will happen. But I fear no one. And I contribute so much that they self know that they could not even talk when I'm talking. Okay, dog. You know about me. Who's me and you meet up one day? Who's me and you meet up one day when you know about me? What do you know about me when the social media no no? Who say you kind of social media when you know about me? Guy, I know about you. Yes, Kabbalah Finance, I add you. At David Matthew. Can you behave yourself? No, 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 I could not. I could not, darling.
Can you behave?
No, I cannot.
Are you Creole?
Ask your mama.
No, I'll ask you.
No, you need to ask your mama because she's the one who bought.
Yourself, please. This is not nice. You're an old woman and you're acting like this. Behave, please.
Get the fuck out of my fucking platform, okay?
Behave yourself.
And respect your mama. Have a good day. Next time you come with fake page, you begin talking that you nasty thing that they cost you mama we kaka you. Because some of una no get respect for una mama de water pima. Because if you come on your mama tight pima, you know they can take fake page, they can obstruct me program. And they warn you. Next time not bring mama in water pima na me page again. Oh. You mama you eat contaminated bombo, not bring a can on me page again. Oh. Because look like what say, are you mama bombo open? That's why you backside open. It look like for saying, you know, fuck you, mama, this morning. Not do I again, no. Not do I again, no. If you don't respect you, mama, and conk, if I've conquered the other way, eat with Casada leaf. Not do I again. A word for a wife is quite sufficient. When you were like a mama and pima olo. When you nasty like a mama and conk. Basta picking. No continue with talk. That block you mama and pima safe na me page. Now you mama and pima first they can block na me page. You mama and water pima when you come out. You mama and dirty toto usa you come out. Now that block her first. And they raise you mama and pima na me page again. When you nasty like you mama and conk. Now wait till that block the bastard again. Why they block him? Now wait. You know, go tell him mama we kakara lay behave. You know, go tell him mama pima we born a lay behave. Na me they can't tell for behave. Go tell you mama we kaka you for behave. Hello. No bad. Like what I say, it not go happen again. You know, now the idleness will catch me, and you know what possible idle, you not gonna work for do person you no get useless. Now that make it the gap fly go pan useless thing, you know. So that useless day, that idleness day, you no go ever catch me again. Una have a good day. Aha. I don't block am, but me no get patience. So again, I come to me topic. Blogging. If you come, you take somebody in picture, you put her up, you dey insult her. That crime na cyberbullying. Una all me dey kutubu. Those una no be dey kutubu na this social media, yeah. What be dey kutubu? But why make una no dey kutubu again? Now because of the same thing they are. You can deal with admire. Admire then at the public light. That is what I can say. Once you then at the social media, you bring your business like yeah, with the talk WhatsApp. In good or in bad or once you bring a kind yeah, with the talk WhatsApp. Because now you bring your business kind of yeah. And once you then yeah, you're not a public figure. We never talk about you. But admire in mama, not ever then a social media. Admire mama, don't seek for over 2-3 years. So if you can now, you say because admire do something, you they can't dissect in mama. That is not allowed. If mama don't do you nothing. And you as a child, because you were admiring last sister self, not to even comping. For when you can sit down, they tell them say, not to them mama money to me, mommy, you go do DNA. To me, mommy, you go do DNA. Honestly, you go do DNA, you go prove them beyond reasonable doubt. Why you for can sit up and disrespect me, mama so? Why you for can sit up and molest me brother and me sister them? When you are not even a family member. But you know so much but me family that you think to say it's comfortable for can't tell me say, not to me mama, not to me papa, but me brother and me sister there. To me mommy, you go prove them. To me mommy, you go prove them beyond every reasonable doubt. You go prove them. Shit, me other charger no can messed up. My God. And that charger didn't have a super fast charger. We are not the joke with. Yeah. One thing about Sierra Leoneans, they can feel to say boundary not in this life. Boundary there. Oh. Boundary there. Boundary day. But I don't say that me get the game all the time. That me get the game. Me own game. That super game. Anyone who come out with number that super game. Today na pink and black. Anyone that one. When I not say me own game. That top notch. Me own game. That out of the world. But now na double tap na 256. Una double tap and una give me una daily heart me. The tone a big BAU. Now you know what that. Now you know what you they see. Now you know what you they see me. Una please double tap. Let's double tap. For those of you on my YouTube, please share. My YouTube family, una please share me. And I know they see una comments. What's up today? My YouTube family, I want to see your comments, please. Now me get the juice, darling. You know that all the time. Yes, my darling from the UK, Inet. How are you guys doing? Inet, how would una they do? Thank you for the rose steamer. Lag put Tuba up. Tuba la put you up. Request cancel. La put that up. Salima to Kano. No, they put Idris. Idris is up first. Then I put Salima to Kano up. Mrs. Fofana for life, how are you? I go there at the White Boat Patio. That in Philadelphia. So you go see me there. What you see by you Congo Sayai. And what you see by you Congo Sayai. Yes, Idris, what is that your contribution? Hello, Idris. Soldier, how are you? Idris, I they put you down and not get time for play. Last time I come there, they put you up if that's you.
Casada kitchen.
Yes, darling.
How you do now?
I they do well. So what's that your contribution with this topic while they talk about?
Well, I just they come because as I they come, it send me up. I not be don't catch the topic.
Okay, the topic where they talk, that Truth Media, that video where make they talk about admire in mama, how not to admire Papa born them picking a day. You don't think to say that one they don't go too above the line? Admire mama not do that social media. Admire mama not get nothing for do with social media. If admire, yes, we'll go.
Sierra Leone and we get one major problem for enter inside people in personalities.
Exactly.
Anything at the world, they forget limits. Anything at the world, they forget limits. The food all they eat, they get limits. No matter how it's sweet, how it's fine, we eat, I guess outside the reach, it will be a limit. Even if you food not sweet, but you must get away with taste away.
Oh. This is not the problem where I make an okay for use me. iPad. Yeah, talk. Exactly.
What you come on floor? If you bring a topic on about discuss or say the advantage this person, this thing not fine, this is not this. Yes, a fight for debate in the media. For now, we tell people and say you are faulty. But for them, you go dig post in your
in family business, exactly. Then you think to say that blogging that one day.
You see, for me, I don't want debate on that. Really, I not call it for the style and that's all. I not call it for the view. I know the one discuss. I know the one discuss behind people their back safe.
You know, you go. And the point is, I mean, I can tell people they say once you then a social media, you're a public figure. But this might not be ever then a social media. This might be not ever then a social media. Everybody knows that me personally, and don't say and my mama be don't speak over 2 years. That one day I know. When a Ghana even be there, I know that one day. But that one day withstanding, waiting so sweet you now for can't sit down. You they talk to mommy life history like you are a member of a family.
So today fucking
Exactly. So today fucking mommy. Give me one line of us. Give me one line of Give me one line of us. Give me one line of us. Give me one Give me one line of us. Give me one line of us. That guy have kind of.
You man the way out of that table, I want to see the next 2 man in the black or that black tone. What is black tone be?
You don't have to advise you. You don't just. Yeah, let them one let them unlucky they have for me. Exactly. He asked them for me told he asked them for me told for waiting. Eh? That's see them over there. You don't can corrupt me by the topic. You don't can. Yeah, I swear to God, you don't can corrupt me by the sweet topic. The topic will be the. You don't can tell us to tone. And then I said to get power.
Black man powerful. So Mami Casada, when you need the black, when you think about the black man, you go for the black. When you think about it, you go for the
I don't go green like corrupt me. I don't go green like corrupt me. Me lie. Today, they are not agree. I know they take no. I'm going to say how are you, sir? And also, you know they watch me face. All the. They want the anti-corruption people. They corrupt. They don't can pull with sweet talk. They talk over. They talk this. Mr. Sise, how are you, sir? Tell Master Tech, Mr. Sise, what's up? What's going on in the community? I tell you, this boy, this is a bad boy. Don't come pull with sweet conversation.
Exactly, Mr. Sise.
It's very difficult for who are put young page and take information and criticize us. Like this boy.
Yes, Lord, man.
Right.
Good evening.
Yes, darling.
They begin to use the media because of social media account.
Exactly.
Journalism, they don't understand. Because if we get knowledge in journalism, there are certain messages they don't know they put now.
Exactly.
They can just grab them all, they take people, attack them, use words them. But Mr. Say they talk, they don't tag me for one video, but I'll never answer because it's kind of show professionalism. Because they say one man bangles, then they shake.
No, attacking somebody, attacking you on social media, it's okay. But going into somebody in personal life, they go talk about who that boundaries, who that not boundaries. If me and my brother and sister them, you go prove and beyond reasonable doubt.
For sure, you go show the daddy we bond them.
Yes.
You know, you go show the daddy we bond them. Now big crime now, they are crime.
No, you don't know.
Automatically, you don't do cyberbullying to them people.
Exactly.
You don't call a name. You don't tag them. You don't put in pictures.
And
you don't talk about the family. You don't. It's wrong. That is wrong.
I really don't understand. As they get 2, 3 followers no more, they feel to say they don't reach there. You even disrespect the dead, which is a crime.
Let him in for good tell the post. He say they begin not to.
No, so you burn them.
That party born there. Automatically, you don't call up the mommy as Gage girl.
Exactly. That is what I'm saying here.
Now Gage girl automatically.
Then people they think to say, you know, if I go scot-free, then you go to the extent you say you know the man them, you go do DNA.
So now you make let go show the man them.
Yeah.
Even at the family, let go show the man them.
Ah.
I don't know what that particular family will do if they go sit down quiet.
No, if they go sit down, they allow her, yeah. Then when you talk, in the can begin, I have no fear. I don't, as I be mother be up before you, me brother, they talk to Ram. I they talk to mother be oh. Go watch them in page, Casada kitchen the band too. Why make you feel that they lock me page? Me not fear them oh. Now you not afraid them, me not afraid them. I believe so I'm in the only conversation why me they get this slow. Una know me and the other them in the talk so I don't go tell una no more, but I understand they for read between the line. Now the Chris, tell you say me that back no man. You know what I mean there? But this is very, very bad.
And I you never blame them. Sometimes like that, just like how you talk. Some of them boy I always see them get 2, 3 followers.
Yeah.
President, so oh you do well.
Yeah, if you don't say that arrive.
But
Now then you go see some man back, he go come. I give you 24 hours. Go do this. Wait. Then a real pistol. Pistol.
Wake up now. When they broke quiz a cap now, they go sit down.
Yes.
They go pull up.
Nobody know there. You better ask Taz Muslim and sleep what happened to her. Go ask Tazmo. Tazmo, na full man and nobody talk about. You go by them road. Before I say you. Tazmo, he just talk about full man there. They lock her up. Let alone I say, you they call person name, you they define them, you they analyze them, and you get.
They're not for just kind of just the way attack.
Yeah.